How's it going, guys? Just want to go over some of this price action that has occurred today and this bottom bounce that we've had here on Bitcoin and explain it a little bit. So just to start off where we are currently so we've come down all the way to this weekly naked point of control at 24,820. This is also a at 25,000 was a point of control. It was a daily naked point of control on the USDT pair right here. You can see right 25,065, and on the USD pair, this is our weekly naked point of control. And so it's important to have both of those, both pairs aware of. And also, an important note to take, just keep in the back of your mind that the inverse perpetual pair will govern the USDT price. Almost guaranteed 9 times out of 10. And I'm going to show something here on the USD pair order flow here. So if you'll take a look at this blue line, it might be hard to see. I can make it a little more obvious there. And I'll just, exaggerate for the sake of this. So this is a naked VWAP. Okay, just like we have naked point of controls, basically it's an area that's hidden. I don't know if it's naked. I think it's called, it is naked VWAP right here. So basically, on the USD pair at 24,000, $5 from our bottom right here, we have this line come across here, and I don't know a whole lot of people that talk about these, but this was disabled. I've since enabled them. You can see we have another one here at 23,159. But many things call for the bottom of this. So we've talked about a couple of confluences. We'll talk about this. So right now we have one with the weekly naked point of control. We have another one with the BTC USD naked point of control right here. So we've since pulled this up. So this should be done loading now. And here we are. Okay, you can see, zooming in here, 24,700 is the BTC USD weekly naked point of control. So that's 3 so far. Okay, if we're looking at TPO charts here, let's take a look at the TPO charts. All right, so basically on the weekly BTC USD TPO charts, right here we have a VPOC, a volume point of control at 24,700. Okay, now we haven't quite got down to there yet, but expect that to hold as support as well, or as just another area of influence. But on the backing out in higher time frames here for a second, let's take a look at this channel that we currently in here. I'm going to zoom out a good bit, actually. Go to probably 8-hour chart. Let's show you this. And I'll have to find this. I think this is probably the correct fib pull right here. I will know here in just a second. And there it is right there. At 25,000. Okay, so that's 4. And this is also I want to say this is a horizontal level. This is where my horizontals at. Okay, hold on. This is I'll have to find it. Okay, right here is, maybe it's, I thought it was a 4-hour. I could be mistaken. Let's see, I don't want to. Oh, okay, not a 4-hour chart there, 4-hour level, but we had this confluence with the WNPOC there. So we had this triangle right here on the low. We look at the 3-minute chart right here. We can get rid of some of these lines to be able to take a look at. See a lot easier. So we formed this constricting triangle here. We broke to the downside, and look where our local, this is our low time frame, MPOC was. So bounce, not MPOC, our champion channel. So we initially came all the way down to the CC, went through it just for a little bit, came right back up, right back into this triangle and upwards. Tried one more time to test it, hit the top of the CC right here and up. So now it's currently looking like it's trying to break market structure and head higher. and flip this point of control of this range right there. What thing to do? We can just hide that and look at this range pull by itself and see what we're looking at. So that's what we're looking at here. This is our, imagine this. I would assume we're gonna range from this, and this is like a nice right at 1% range. So come to the top of this, I'd be looking to take like a little scalp short of that, possibly. Not very big position at all, but the risk to reward would be good there. It is at the end of the day just 1% though. So that's what's going on with price action. VWAP is overhead directly at this midpoint of the channel. So we can see that tested further. And yeah, I'm hopefully looking for the VWAP to come down and flip in on us. So yeah, you can see it's all the way up here, 25.12. So looking at the USDT pair, and so this is good because for a little while only the USD inverse pair had this naked VWAP. Since this has happened, we have it here on the USDT pair. It looks like it's coming, finally showing its face right there. So I think some little bit higher ups. We have now we have to update our levels. Actually, we've had a new day, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. No, we have a new day here in 15. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. We do have a new. In 25 minutes, we'll have a new daily open. So we'll update our levels and see what happens from there. But hopefully, we get above this POC, head higher. So that's what's happened. Very technical price action today, even with the news event. And I hope you guys didn't get chopped up in this market too badly. But if you did, you just weren't prepared enough for all your levels. So I said, stick to the Bitcoin trades because it may be boring, but you don't have to worry about anything else besides Bitcoin. So, well, I am out and happy trades.